Social beliefs hold paramount significance in social psychology. Research as they serve as critical determinants of human behavior, attitudes, and interactions. These beliefs, including stereotypes, prejudices, and or attitudes, not only shape individuals' perceptions of the social world, but also drive decision-making processes, influence group dynamics, and impact societal change. Understanding the formation, persistence, and consequences of social beliefs is pivotal for addressing issues like bias, discrimination, health behaviors, and political ideologies, ultimately contributing to the advancement of knowledge and the pursuit of more equitable and informed societies. Let us explore how our social beliefs matter in the context of self-fulfilling prophecies and behavioral confirmation, along with potential future research directions in social psychology. A self-fulfilling prophecy occurs when our expectations or beliefs about a person or situation lead us to behave in a way that causes those expectations or beliefs to come true. Suppose a teacher believes that a particular student is exceptionally intelligent and will excel academically. The teacher may provide more opportunities for the student to learn, offer additional support and encouragement, and have higher expectations for their appearance or performance rather. As a result, the student may gain confidence, work harder, and indeed achieve high academic success, fulfilling the teacher's initial belief. Future research could explore the psychological mechanisms underlying self-fulfilling prophecies, such as the role of feedback loops, confirmation bias, and the impact of context. Researchers might also investigate strategies to mitigate the negative effect of self-fulfilling prophecies, particularly in domains like education and workplace evaluations, where they can have profound consequences. Next is what we call the behavioral confirmation. Behavioral confirmation, sometimes referred to as the Pygmalion effect. It is a specific form of self-fulfilling prophecy where one person's beliefs or expectations about another person's behavior lead us to actions that cause the person to behave in a manner consistent with those beliefs and expectations. For example, imagine a manager who holds belief that an employee is not a team player and therefore excludes them to excludes them from the important group discussions and collaborations. This treatment may cause the employee to feel isolated and disengaged, leading them to exhibit behaviors that align with the initial belief, such as withdrawing from the team activities. Future research in behavioral confirmation could delve into interpersonal dynamics and communication patterns that contribute to this phenomenon. Additionally, exploring strategies for breaking the cycle of negative behavioral confirmation and promoting more positive beliefs and interactions in the workplace and social settings could be an important area of study. Understanding the impact of social beliefs such as self-fulfilling prophecies and behavioral confirmation is crucial in social psychology, as it highlights the powerful influence of expectations and perceptions on human behavior. Future research can provide insights into the underlying processes, identify factors that moderate or mediate these effects, and offer interventions to harness the positive potential of social beliefs while minimizing their detrimental consequences in various aspects of life.